Looking at different word problems to use dimensional analysis to solve for the desired unit. A car travels at 55 miles an hour and gets 11 kilometers per liter of gasoline. Alrighty. So 55 miles per hour, 11 kilometers per liter. How many gallons? Alrighty, I already see what I want. I want gallons are needed for a 3-hour trip. Okay. So I want to be in gallons. What do I know here? Well, none of the units that I have are in gallons. I know that I want to end with gallons. That's my last step. But I need to get to gallons. Well, I see that I have a conversion factor that I know is 1 gallon is equal to 3.7854 liters. And I see liters right here. So I would think, all right, then I would go, I can convert liters to gallons. Then use the 11 kilometers per liter. Okay? Well, then I need to get rid of the kilometers. I have to use the 3 hours at some point. Well, if I want to get rid of the kilometers and figure out how many miles a car is driving per hour, I think it makes the most sense to start with 3 hours. Then if I want to use the hours, I need to use the 55 miles per hour to get rid of the hours. Okay, well, now I'm stuck between miles and kilometers, so I'll need to convert, and I have a conversion factor here of going to kilometers to then use that. And there's my plan. So it made sense. I needed to end with gallons. I had nothing in its conversion from what I was given that had the unit gallons in it. Well, I know that I can go to gallons from liters, and I have something that gives me liters. But on top of it was kilometers, so I have to get rid of that. Then I see that I have that mile to kilometer conversion factor, and I can get rid of the miles by using the 3-hour trip that I need to use anyways. And then you're ready to just plug it in. So you have your 3 hours times 55 miles per hour times your 1.609 kilometers over a mile, 1 mile, times 1 liter, since I want the liters over 11 kilometers. Multiply that by 1 gallon over 3.7854 liters. And you double check. Hours go away, miles go away, kilometers go away, liters go away, and you're left with 6.4 gallons. Then you check your significant figures. How many do you have? You have 2 for 55, 2 for 11, 2 for 3.0. None of the conversion factors are part of your significant figures because they're definitions, so you want 2 significant figures. You can also look at the problem like this. You see that you want to know for a 3-hour trip, and you have 55 miles an hour given to you. So immediately you can get just the miles. So another way would be, all right, I have 3 hours, and I know I can multiply that by 55 miles an hour, 50 miles per hour. All right, because I'll get rid of my hours. Well, then I need to get rid of my miles and get gallons. And then you see, okay, well, I don't have anything that gives me gallons, but I do have a volumetric unit, which was the liters here. So that's what I have to use to get to the gallons later. So that means I have to use that number and get to kilometers. So then that's why you would use your conversion factor of 1.609 kilometers over a mile. And you see, all right, miles cancel. Then you can use the volume over the 11 kilometers. And then your gallon conversion, since the unit you specifically want is gallon, and your 6.4 gallons. So just another way of thinking it in the forward direction if that helps pick apart the problem.